I went to open the thing and he popped up at me. I hate spiders. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, we got a little weekly reset going on. I have a list of things that I need to get done today, so it's gonna be a long one. Got my morning cocktail. You guys have seen this in the past like 4 or 5 videos back to back, but just in case anybody's new here, electrolytes, creatine, and inositol for PCOS. I need to post something on Instagram just because I never post on Instagram. I'm gonna figure that out right now, and then we're gonna get ready and go to the gym. Also, prior to the gym, I'm gonna plan out the grocery list because after I leave the gym, I'm gonna stop at Costco, I'm gonna stop at HEB, pick up what we need, and then come home. Let's get this day started. You see my soon-to-be gym closet. Stuff is just everywhere right now. I just got it separated in my piles from like shorts and leggings to crop tops, t-shirts, full-length shirts, long sleeves, sports bras. But let me go ahead and figure out what I'm gonna wear to the gym today. Got the gym fit. I am wearing Soft Motions white bralette, which was restocked, as well as the Effortless leggings in ash gray. Ash gray is like one of my favorite. It just pairs well with every color. These are both in stock, okay? I checked. Finished getting ready before I head out, but I have to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Lume. Thank you so much for sponsoring your girl again. If you're not new to my channel, then you would have seen Lume throughout my videos. The body wash, the full body deodorant spray, as well as full body cream deodorant, which have all just been a staple in my routine. And I specifically use these products to help with hyperpigmentation as well as skin lightening, specifically in my underarm areas or like inner thighs. I'm gonna find a photo of my underarms, right? You see this mark right there? One, I have no idea where this came from. I just woke up one day with like a burn mark, but I've been using my Lume on it. This was really, really dark. So I'm gonna continue to use it on there, so hopefully we can get rid of whatever this is. But yeah, I just had to show you that. Now, a little bit about Lume. It was invented by OBGYN Shannon Klingman, and it was clinically approved to block odor all day and continues to control BO for 72 hours. It is a full body deodorant, and when I say full body, I mean full body. Obviously, you can use it under your arms, but it can also be used under your boobs, your vulva, your inner thighs, and even on your butt crack. It really makes sure to stop odor before it starts. So fresh out the shower, you can either use the cream or the spray and just wipe it right back there. There are a wide range of aluminum-free, skin-safe, baking soda-free, cruelty-free, and vegan products. There are 8 scents, with the soft powder being my absolute favorite. It gives a soft, clean, like baby powder smell. Like, I don't know, I love it. But for anyone who is interested in trying out Lume, I recommend the starter pack. It comes with a full-size stick deodorant, and then you have the option between the full body spray or the full body cream. And then it comes with a couple freebies like the body wash, or you can get the mini version of the cream deodorant, and then some wipes. Of course, I have a discount code. K Collins will get you $5 off the already discounted starter pack. Okay, so that brings the discount to up to like 40%, I believe. I will put that information on the screen as well as down below in the description box. Thank you so much, Lume, for sponsoring today's video, and let's continue on with this reset. Okay, so it's time for me to figure out what I'm gonna be eating this week. We are headed to Vegas in 2 weeks, okay? I'm gonna go see Beyonce again. I don't care. I bought the tickets. And it so happened to be Tron's birthday weekend. His birthday's on the 28th, but the concert's on the 25th. He's coming with me to Vegas to see Beyonce for his birthday. We're only popping in for a couple days. We're getting in Thursday morning, and we are leaving Saturday morning. I wanna snatch up, just being a little bit tighter. We're cutting these 2 weeks. And then after the trip, I'll go back until maintenance. Chicken thighs. And then I'm gonna do a Greek salad. And then I'll have like some tzatziki on the side, which I'm gonna make homemade, which will give me more protein with this. So that's dinner. I haven't done overnight oats in so long. Lunch. I know y'all gonna get tired of my taco bowl, but whatever. So I'm gonna do ground beef, potatoes, pico, and guac. Actually gonna have a second lunch option as well in case I wanna switch it up. A cucumber salad, tuna, and then I'll put in other things like red onions, green onions, a whole bunch of other stuff I'll just shove in there. Maybe some edamame. I think I'm gonna make some pre-prepped breakfast burritos. So you got the meals. I'm gonna go in and figure out all the groceries that I need. So we got overnight oats, breakfast burrito, my taco bowls, chicken thighs, Greek salad, homemade tzatziki, and then the extra meal in case I need a break from any of this, the rest of this stuff, because this will be for the next week straight. Just finished with my workout. It wasn't great. It wasn't. I just went through the motions, okay? You know, some days you like work out and you're like, dang, like I felt good. I had a good workout in. Today wasn't that one. I got through it though. Anytime I'm feeling like that, like I really don't want to lift, I just pick 4 exercises and do 3 rounds of it. Like you can do 3 rounds of 4 exercises. You can. Now let's go and pick up some groceries. Also, I was like editing. I got a post up on Instagram. I just did like a before and after. I had a picture on my phone of me last year in this outfit. And like, I was like looking back like, dang. And so I was like, oh, let me just take a picture really quick in the mirror in the outfit now. And so, yeah, I was just like, that's a quick, easy post to put on Instagram. So we got that up and out the way.
I usually all avoid all the back streets. I usually all avoid all the bad things. I can't just come around because you happy, cause I didn't do you good when you had me. I hope you still got time and you ain't past me. I hope you've been forgiving all the sad things. Baby, I'm still falling for you, you should grab me. So say the word and baby, you can have me. I just think that we should double up, double up, double up. Tell me girl, what you running from, running from, running from. Don't you think that we should double up, double up, double up. Tell me girl, what you running from, running from, running from. Yeah, yeah. I know my name's still buzzing in the group chat. I got a lot to prove, let me prove that. I heard you out the city, you should move back. Be the one to keep you smiling, let me do that. Never told.
Got back home, about to put these groceries up. So you saw me stop at Ulta. We needed some more deep conditioner, Sacred. We only got a little bit left. I'm putting together like a little birthday box for my friend Vicky, which you guys will see in a little bit. So I just grabbed a couple things like this hair oil, little hand sanitizer, a couple like hair stuff that I'm gonna put in the box. I need some containers for my overnight oats. Also, I ordered her this, it was like a little match thing for candles. The one that I ordered, the container that I got, didn't come with the matchsticks. So I went to Walmart to pick up this container. This one was only like $6, just so I can steal the matchsticks out of it and put it on inside of hers. All right, cleaning is all done. Now, before I go get in the shower, I actually want to start breakfast because it's gonna bake in the oven. I thought I was gonna shower while the food was baking, but because there was like a few layers to it, I couldn't go take a shower. And then I was starving. I was absolutely starving. After that, I just ate, obviously, clean, just doing just a little bit of skincare, my toner, hyaluronic acid, moisturizer. And then next I'm just about to start working. So the next block will be editing some content. I'm gonna edit some now, and then I'm gonna edit some more later. See ya. Teron actually brought this rug out that used to be in my bathroom at our old apartment, and it's just been chilling in the garage. And he's like, you don't want to use this? And I was like, actually, this could be used in the kitchen. Washed it because it was smelly out there. So let's lay it down. It matches the living room rug so well, like the nude tones. One, finding a rug is difficult already, but being in an open concept and having multiple rugs back to back is like a whole nother struggle. So sorry about the multiple different lightings throughout this video. We got sunlight again when this morning it was super dark. I want to put together this little gift box for my friend. That way I can mail this out tomorrow morning before I head to the gym. I'm gonna show you what I got. One, I got like obviously some filler paper. And then I got her this candle from, it's called Maison Louis Marie. And yeah, microfiber towel for your hair, but the way it like wraps is just like easy, very easy to like wrap your hair up with it. And then this is the, I forgot what it's called. There's a name for it, but this is the one that I got, but it didn't come with the striker or the matches. Now I realized that these are gonna be too big for this, so I'm gonna get some scissors and cut them. All right, I'm back. It's been a while. Been sitting on the couch over there editing away on my laptop, trying to get this video done to send over to a brand for approval. Now I'm gonna take a break and take down and possibly put together the new table. I haven't decided on a new rug yet, so this rug is just gonna stay until a replacement. Gotta wash the toes. So I love the table. It could fit 6 chairs, but we're gonna stick with 4. And then obviously I have to get a bigger rug. So it's long enough this way, but it's too short this way. So if we pull the chairs out here, it's gonna be on the floor. Take it out. All right, I'm back to close out this video. I'm just getting my steps in. I am also reading. I'm reading Colliding with Fate. Thank you so much for tuning in if you made it to the end of this video. And thank you again, Lume, for sponsoring this video. Again, all information will be down below in the description box. Anyways, good night.